The 2021 Mercedes Maybach S-Class has been premiered, and this limousine is going to redefine its super luxury standards when it hits the road next year. While the chauffeur-driven sedan will make it to most of the global markets in the first half of 2021, the Indian audience will probably have to wait a little longer than a year and settle for the current Maybach 560 and 650 in the portfolio. The 2021 Mercedes Maybach will approximately cost Rs 1.50 crore, and it will be targeted specifically to buyers with a chauffeur. For reference, the current Maybach 560 in India starts at Rs 2.10 crore ex-showroom. The 2021 Maybach S-Class has dumped the previous V12 engine and will now be offered with just the 4-litre twin-turbo V8 engine with EQ Boost mild hybrid technology. The engine manages to produce 502 PS of power and 699 Nm of torque, while the electric motor offers an additional 21 PS of power and 249 Nm of torque. The new upgrades in the limousine are mainly focused at the rear area. The new executive seats will now boast a massage function in the calf rests. The first class rear has been upgraded too, with the neck and shoulder heating feature function being the newest addition. Some other luxurious features that enhance the in-cabin experience are the active road noise compensation, Burmeister 4D surround sound system, adaptive rear lighting, and up to 5 touchscreen displays with the 2nd Gen MBUX interface with interior assist. The exclusive interior appearance of the S-Class can be enhanced with an optional two-tone paint finish with a dividing line. The improved seats and high-quality wood surrounds give an impression of generous lounge seats. Another optional feature is the electrically operated comfort rear doors that are integrated with the blind spot assist, ensuring high level of safety. On the exterior, the limousine sports redesigned bonnet with a chromed fin and the signature radiator grille with fine vertical chrome stripes. The 2021 Maybach S-Class is quite distinguishable with its predecessors, as it comes with a wider rear door, fixed quarter light, and the Maybach brand logo on the C-pillars. The 2021 Mercedes Maybach S-Class packs a comprehensive safety package with features like powerful digital light package, automatic seatbelt extender, pre-safe airbag system with up to 18 airbags, and the e-active body control for securing the car during a lateral crash.